Application Breakdown and Guide. Agenda, Introduction to Application. Component Breakdown. Step-by-step user guide. Best practices and tips. Conclusion. Introduction to application. The application breakdown and guide presentation is designed to offer a thorough exploration of modern applications, focusing on both their technical structure and practical usage. As technology evolves, understanding the underlying architecture of applications becomes increasingly important, whether you're a developer, business professional, or end user. This presentation aims to demystify the components that make up an application, such as the front-end, back-end, and APIs, by breaking down how they interact to deliver a seamless user experience. We'll start with a broad overview of what applications are, touching on different types like desktop, web, and mobile applications. From there, we'll dive into the core components of an application, explaining the roles of user interfaces, server-side logic, and data management. This breakdown will help you understand how applications function behind the scenes. Following the technical breakdown, the presentation will transition into a practical guide, providing a step-by-step walkthrough on using applications efficiently. Whether it's onboarding, navigating core features, or troubleshooting common issues, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to use applications effectively. Finally, we'll cover best practices and optimization strategies to ensure that you're not just using applications, but using them in the most secure and efficient way possible. Component Breakdown. The component breakdown section of the application breakdown and guide presentation focuses on the essential building blocks of any modern application. Understanding these components is crucial for grasping how an application functions, both from a technical and user perspective. The front end is the user-facing part of the application. It includes the user interface UI and user experience UX design, which dictate how users interact with the application. Technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are often used to create responsive, visually appealing interfaces. Front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue.js streamline the development process, enabling efficient design and functionality. The back-end is where the core logic of the application resides. It manages data processing, user authentication, and server-side operations. Commonly used back-end frameworks include Node.js, Django, and Ruby on Rails, which help in handling server requests and managing databases. The backend ensures that data flows smoothly between the user interface and the database. APIs, application programming interfaces. APIs are the bridges connecting the front end and back end. They facilitate communication between different parts of the application and allow integration with third-party services. Proper API management ensures seamless data exchange, version control, and security. Understanding these components is key to mastering the overall application architecture. Step-by-step user guide. The step-by-step user guide section of the application breakdown and guide presentation provides a practical walkthrough on how to effectively use an application from initial setup to advanced features. Whether you're a beginner or experienced user, this guide ensures you can navigate the application with ease. Step 1: User onboarding. Start by setting up your account. Follow the registration or login process and familiarize yourself with the application's layout. Look for onboarding tutorials or guides that introduce core features, helping you understand the application's purpose and main functions. Step 2: Basic navigation. Explore the primary sections of the application. Learn how to access the dashboard, navigate menus, and use the search feature. Focus on understanding the main tools and functionalities, such as creating new entries, viewing data, or accessing reports. Step 3: Utilizing core features. Begin using the application's primary features. For example, if it's a productivity tool, start by creating tasks, setting deadlines, and assigning priorities. Ensure you understand how to save, edit, and delete items within the application. Step 4: Advanced features and customization. Explore more advanced features like integrations, settings customization, and user preferences. This may include connecting the application to other software, setting up notifications, or adjusting interface elements. Step 5: Troubleshooting and support. Familiarize yourself with the support options available. This could include accessing a help center, contacting customer support, or searching for common troubleshooting tips within the application. This ensures you're prepared to resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps, you'll be able to maximize the application's potential, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. Best practices and tips. The best practices and tips section of the application breakdown and guide presentation is designed to help you optimize your use of the application while ensuring security and efficiency. Following these guidelines will enhance your experience and help you avoid common pitfalls. 1. Security measures. Regular updates keep the application and any associated software up to date To protect against vulnerabilities, strong passwords, use complex passwords, and enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) for added security data encryption. Ensure that sensitive data is encrypted both in transit and at rest to safeguard against unauthorized access. 2. Performance optimization, efficient data management. Regularly clean and organize your data to prevent the application from slowing down. Use filters and search functions to streamline data retrieval, minimize resource usage, close unnecessary applications and tabs to free up system resources, enhancing the application's performance. 3. User feedback and continuous improvement. Regularly provide feedback. Engage with the application's feedback mechanisms to report bugs, suggest features, and contribute to ongoing improvements. Stay updated on new features. Keep an eye on release notes or updates to stay informed about new features and improvements. 4. Customization for productivity. Tailor settings. Customize the application's settings to fit your workflow, such as adjusting notifications, themes, or shortcuts. Leverage integrations. Connect the application with other tools you use to create a more seamless workflow. By incorporating these best practices, you'll ensure that your application usage is secure, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, the application breakdown and guide presentation has provided a comprehensive understanding of both the technical architecture of an application and practical guidance on using it effectively. We started by breaking down the key components, front-end, back-end APIs, to explain how they interact and work together to deliver a seamless user experience. Understanding these elements is essential whether you are a developer looking to build or maintain an application or a user seeking to maximize its functionality. The step-by-step guide section ensured that you are equipped to navigate through the application, from basic onboarding to exploring advanced features. By following this guide, you can enhance your productivity and make the most out of the application's offerings. Additionally, we covered best practices, emphasizing the importance of security, performance optimization, and continuous improvement. These practices will not only help you use the application more efficiently, but also ensure that you are protected against potential risks. As you move forward, apply the knowledge gained from this presentation to explore, utilize, and optimize applications in your professional and personal life. With the right approach and understanding, you can confidently navigate any application, turning it into a powerful tool for achieving your goals. Team members: King David, Mohammed Khaja Muiz, Muneshwaran, Kalyanavenkatramanan, Vijay Sarathi,